BCom College, Samganagar, Dharwad. My name is Anita. I am handling cost accounting subject for BCom 5th sem student. Okay, in this class I am going to discuss with you all the question paper related problems. Okay, all of you know the question paper pattern. You have three sections: section A, section B and section C. A, B and C. Okay, section A is for 2 marks, B for 5 marks, C for 15 marks. Okay, I hope you know the question paper pattern. In section C, we have to solve only 3 questions including case study. Okay, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ case 2 normal ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 13 ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್. Let us start the problem. Problem number 1. The following information is related to the activity of the production department. Material used 72,000, direct labor 60,000, hour of machines 20 hours, labor hour 24 hours, overhead charges 48,000 rupees on the order carried out to the department during the period. Material used 4,000, direct wages 3,300, labor hour 1,650 hours, machine hours 1,200 hours, prepaid direct labor hour rate method, direct second one direct labor cost rate method, third one machine hour rate method. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎರಡು materials ಗಳನ್ನ they have given, that is production department, the next one is carried out department and ನಮಗೆ information ಅನ್ನ they have already given. Depend upon these information we have to calculate the direct labor hour method. Okay, let us start the solution. Question number workload number 1. Calculation of labor hour. Calculation of labor hour rate. Calculation of labor hour rate is equal to overhead divided by labor hour. Overhead is 48,000 divided by 24,000. 3030. 24 ones are 24 twos are rupees 2 per hour. Okay, the next one is working note number 2. Calculation of machine hour rate. Is equal to overhead divided by machine hour. Overhead divided by machine hour. Overhead is 48,000, machine hour is 20,000. 48,000 divided by 24,000. 20,000. Machine hour is 20,000. So 0 get cancelled. 30 can cancel. It is 2.40 per hour. Okay, I hope you understood how to calculate the machine hour rate. The next one is calculation of percentage of labor cost. Percentage of labor cost is equal to overhead divided by labor cost into 100. Overhead is 48,000 divided by labor cost. Labor cost is 60,000 into 100. 48,000 into 100 divided by 60,000. The answer is 80%. Answer is 80%. I hope you understood the problem. Okay. The first one is calculation of labor hour rate. Overhead divided by labor hours. Overhead is 48,000 divided by 24,000 rupees 2. The next one is calculation of machine hour rate. Overhead divided by machine hour. Overhead is 48,000 divided by 20,000 rupees 2.40 per hour. The next one is calculation of percentage of labor cost. Overhead divided by labor cost into 100. Overhead is 48,000. Labor cost is 60,000 into 100. That is 80%. First we have to calculate the labor hour, machine hour and overhead cost. The next one is comparative statement of cost. Comparative statement of cost. Comparative statement of cost. 4 columns. Particulars. Material, labor, total. Okay. The first one is particulars. Direct labor hour. The last one is machine hour. Direct labor hour. Second one is direct labor cost. Direct labor hour. Third one is machine hour. Machine hour. 3 columns. The first one is material used. Material used. 72,000, 60,000, 20,000, 24,000, 4,000. We have already used in working out number 1, 2 and 3. So that the second carry over department we have to take the comparative statement of cost. That is 4,000. The next one is direct wages. $3,300. Okay. The next one is we have to add these. We will get the prime cost. Prime cost is 7,300, 7,300. Okay, in that we have to deduct 80% of 3,300. 80% of direct labor. Direct wages ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ 3,300. ಅದರ 80% 2640 2 1650 into 2. Working note number 1. 1650 labor hour ada. Labor hour into working note number 1. And addition ಹೇಳಿ 2 money. So multiply these two, you will get the direct labor hour 3,300. Next working note number 3. Working note number 3 ಎಷ್ಟು 2.40 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. So here the machine hour is 1,200. 1,200 into 2.40. 2,880. 2,880. Add these two, we will get the cost of production. 7,300 plus 2,640. 9,940. Here 10,600. Here 10,180. Okay, I hope you understood the problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಲೇಬರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವೇಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ we have to add these two direct labor cost direct labor hour machine hour 4,000 4,000 4,000 direct wages add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3,300 3,300 3,300 add these two you will get the prime cost 4,000 plus 3,300 7,300 7,300 7,300 so add over 80% of 3,300 is 2,640. Working note number 1 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ 1,650 into 2 1,650 ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ labor hour ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ that is 1,650 into 2 3,300 2.40 into 1,200 that is 2,880 and prime cost plus overhead we will get the cost of production 7,300 plus 2,640 9,940 7,300 plus 3,300 10,600 7,300 plus 2,880 10,180. Okay, I hope you understood the problem how to calculate the direct machine hour howda wages labor cost next direct machine hour and now calculate ಮಾಡೋದು then the comparative statement. Okay, I hope you understood. This is for 15 marks in your examination in section C. Okay, I hope you understood. The next one is finance question, that is find out the effective rate of earnings under Halsey plan. Okay, Halsey plan ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು effective rate of earnings ಅನ್ನು calculate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. The first one is standard time 55 hours, actual time taken 45 hours, wage rate rupees 200 per day, 8 hours per day they are working. Find out the Mr. X earnings under Halsey plan. Let us start the solution. First we have to calculate the time saved. Working note number 1. Calculation of time saved. Time saved is equal to standard time minus time taken. Standard time minus time taken. Standard time is 55 minus 45. 55 minus 45, that is 10 hours. 10 hours. Time saved is standard time minus time taken, that is 10. For 55 minus 45 is 10. The next one is calculation of time rate. Time rate. Time rate is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರೇಟ್ 200. 200 divided by 8 rupees 25 per hour. Rupees 25 per hour. Calculation of time rate. Time rate is equal to 200 divided by 8. 200 divided by 8 is rupees 25 per hour. I hope you understood how to calculate the time save and the time rate. The next one is calculation of earnings under Halsey plan. Halsey plan is equal to time taken into time rate plus 1 divided by 2 into time saved into time taken. Time taken into time rate plus half into time saved into time taken. Time taken is 8 hours. Time taken is 45. Actual time taken is 45. Time rate is 25 plus 1 by 2. Time saved is 10 into time taken. Time taken is again 45. 45 into 25. 1125 plus 1 divided by 2. 10 into 45. 450. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 twos are 2 fives. 1125 plus 225. 1125 plus 2225, that is 1250 rupees. Earnings of Mr. X. Then we have to calculate the effective rate of earnings. Working note number 4. Calculation of wage rate is equal to earnings divided by time taken. Earnings is 1250. Time taken is 45 rupees 28 approximately. Okay, 28. I hope you understood how to calculate the earnings under Halsey plan and the effective wage rate. Okay, the first one is calculation of time saved. Time saved is equal to standard time minus time taken. Standard time is 45. Time taken is 55, 45. 55 minus 45, that is 10 hours. Next, calculation of time rate. Time rate is equal to wage rate divided by hours. Wage rate is 200 divided by rupees 25. Next, work note number 3. Calculation of earnings under Halsey plan. Time taken to time rate plus 1 by 2 into time saved into time taken. time taken is 45 into time saved is 25 plus 1 by 2. Time saved is note number 1, 10. 10 plus time taken is 45. 45 into 25, 1125 plus 1 by 2. 10 into 25, 450. 1125 plus 2 ones are 225. 225. Okay. 1 plus 1125 plus 225 is 1250. The next one is calculation of wage rate. Earnings divided by time taken. 1250 divided by 45, that is rupees 28. Okay, I hope you understood how to calculate the Halsey plan. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರೋ 1 ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಂಚೂರು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಇಂಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ಡ್ ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಇಂಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ಡ್ ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ EOQ, ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. Annual consumption rupees 1200, ordering cost rupees 40, carrying cost is rupees 24. Okay, EOQ is equal to square root of 2AO divided by C. Square root of 2AO divided by C. 2 into annual consumption is 12,000, ordering cost is 40 divided by 24. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are 12 ones are 12. So 40,000. Square root of 40,000 is 200 units. Square root of 40,000 is 200 units. Next we have to find out the number of orders placed. Placed is equal to 12,000 divided by 200. Annual consumption is 12,000. EOQ is 200. 200, 0, 0 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 6. Number of order placed is rupees 60. EOQ, economic order quantity, is equal to 2AOC divided by C. Square root 2 into annual consumption is 12,000. O is 40 divided by C is 24. 2 into 12,000 into 40 divided by 24, 40,000. The square root of 40,000 is 200. Number of order placed 12,000 divided by 200, that is 60 number of order placed. I hope you understood the EOQ. Okay, now in class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 15 marks are. The next, these two are the 5 marks I have solved. In the next class, I will discuss the problems based on 15 marks in the next session. Thank you.